Oh, it's really hot out here. I think I need a can of beer. Cold beer. Oh, thanks. Huh. It is cold. I wonder what's this thing made out of. It's pretty rough. But it's pretty flexible, I think. I wonder what it is. What metal is this? Ah! Who the hell are you? Oh, calm down, let me just show you. You've been wondering what this is, right? What this is made out of? It's actually made out of aluminium, a type of metal and element in the periodic table. Huh. Let me take it from here now. This is an aluminum can. A can of drink. And why do you think that aluminium is used for cans like this? Well, the reason is actually pretty simple. Firstly is aluminum cans are non-toxic, so it doesn't make the drink toxic or it is gonna be poisoned by the metal. And secondly is that it's pretty lightweight. Well, like it's pretty light and it's easy to transport. Also, what else? It also has the unique ability that it is strong, but also it's pretty lightweight and it's still able to be flexible to be shaped in this specifically. Okay, so in a can, the can actually contains aluminium and other elements such as magnesium and manganese, which are not important throughout this topic. Aluminum is actually very unique because it does not contain in a pure form. However, it has an ore called bauxite, where it is the main source for aluminium, and it contains aluminium oxide. The extraction of aluminium is actually much more harder to understand than you might thought. This is because purified aluminum has to be dissolved in molten cryolite. And then it will be placed in this system where it has a graphite anode and graphite cathode containing a steel case. And as you can see from the bottom, written in yellow, is the reaction. So to obtain pure aluminum, we need to use the process called electrolysis. This is where the graphite lining acts as the negative electrode with several large graphite blocks as the positive electrodes. And firstly, what will happen is that at the cathode, aluminum ions gains electrons, which is called reduction. And then at the anode, oxide ions will lose electrons, which is called oxidation. This is due to the fact that the ions are attracted to the opposite charge. For example, if a negatively charged ion will be attracted to an anode, this is because an anode is a positive electrode, which is opposite charge. This will cause the aluminum to be separated from the oxygen, resulting in pure aluminum. To do this process, however, it will need a lot of electrical energy, basically. Oh yeah, I think I ever heard it needs like 13 to 15 kilowatts. Oh yeah, how did you know that? From Miss Vivi, of course. Duh. That was the journey. So, turns out, aluminium is actually not as simple to extract as you probably thought. And it actually takes a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of complex things that will happen chemically and financially, of course. So, be grateful that aluminium actually exists. And I would like to say thank you for watching, and thank you, Miss Louie,